Hello, I'm Marika from Hygienius, showing you how to use POPPA female urinal. Essential for popping POPPA is that POPPA contains enough air and is not bent. POPPA contains enough air when it shows a V shape at the bottom and is not bent in the middle. Open the perforated flap, then you fold it up and you slide it under the notch. Place POPPA between your hands with your fingers pointing upwards. Press with gentle force until POPPA pops. POPPA is now ready. Empty a solid safe into POPPA. Without solid safe, POPPA is liquid tight for 4 hours. With solid safe, it lasts significantly longer. One solid safe sachet absorbs up to 1 liter of liquid and neutralizes bad odors. Would you like to take a urine sample? Add solid safe after peeing. Incline the patient's bed in a reclined sitting position. Raise the knees and spread the legs apart. Position POPPA between the legs on a flat mattress around the vulva, with the bottom of POPPA aligning with the bottom of the vulva. Hold POPPA horizontally and do not tilt towards the patient. Have your patient place her hand against the back of POPPA. Let the patient pee in one go and assist if necessary. Is your patient done peeing and has the urine turned into gel with solid safe? Take over POPPA. Read the volume indication inside POPPA. Weighing urine is unnecessary. Close POPPA by pressing the flap at the front with your fingers. Dispose of POPPA safely and hygienically in the nearest macerator or waste trolley. And that is all you need to know on using POPPA female urinal. Do you want to know more about POPPA? On the back of the packaging, you will find instructions, and on the front, a QR code for an instructional animation video. Would you like advice or information about our products? Our team is there for you. Thank you for watching and good luck with POPPA female urinal.
Hygienius, humanizing infection prevention.